Oh wow, look at that.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Let's go.
Wow.
Let's go this way. What is that? Babe, look. Kimchi.
아, 김치냉장고.
저거는 확실히 미국에 없죠.
Oh my goodness. These are huge.
Is it like for a restaurant?
Okay, first of all,
엄청 큰 걸 보시긴 했다.
oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
How much kimchi could they possibly be eating?
This is
I don't
amazing.
even know how to work this thing. This
I mean,
kimchi?
I love kimchi, but I'm
Okay.
blown away.
Who can eat this much kimchi?
저렇게 생각할
This is
만하다.
crazy.
당연히 그렇게 생각하지.
도대체 얼마나 먹는 거야, 김치를?
Ollie,
This is crazy.
you know our kimchi fridge that we have at home? This is like a huge one of those. People fill this fridge up with that. Could you eat that much kimchi? I couldn't either, even though I like it.
근데 이거는 확실하게 외국인들에게 낯선 컨셉이긴 해요.
1년치를 넣어놓기 때문에 저렇게 큰
For a
거다.
whole year supply of
100 캐비지 정도 해가지고 저희가 다 넣어놓고
Oh,
kimchi.
that
Make it
makes much more sense. Because we were thinking, like, are people eating kimchi this much where they can just like restock this fridge?
It's not for that.
우리나라는 약간 냉장고에 그래도 김치가 좀 넉넉하게 있어야지 조급하지 않잖아요.
One for the whole week.